Welcome to Phraseology for Pilots and Controllers. In this tutorial, we will give you a guided tour to show you how best to use the platform. Firstly, we suggest you click on the button International Phraseology. This takes you to the fundamentals you will need to practice your radio telephony communications for all airports. As you can see, this opens up subheadings such as Standard Phraseology, FAA Briefings, Emergency Procedures, Situational Awareness, and Weather Services USA. Each of these topics provides you with the tools to understand radio telephony procedures. In our video, we look at how to make basic calls with the call sign last. Then we take you to Appendix 5 ICAO 2012 Phraseology Quick Reference Guide, Standard ATC Phraseology. This is based on the All Clear Initiative 2012 for EASA and ICAO and sets the standard for radio telephony communications worldwide, incorporating FAA and ICAO. We suggest you take a good look at these. Then move on to our lexicon dictionary of English and Spanish to become more familiar with the vocabulary. Check out our FAA Safety Briefings section for the latest videos on AirNav and pre-arrival departure briefings. Our emergency video section gives you videos and reenactments of emergencies so you can follow the radio telephony protocols. In situational awareness, we review runway incursions, airmanship and airspace regulations, and restrictions for the USA. The Weather Services USA section also gives you a complete overview of US weather services from the basics of METAR and terminal aerodrome forecast to the Hazardous in-flight weather advisory system to help you improve your flight planning. We have also included two important modules from our ICAO program for your review: runway incursions and runway excursions to help you update and practice your skills. Finally, in this section, we introduce you to general practice audios, where you can listen to the audio and read it back and then check the script afterwards. Our next section is international airports. Here, every 2 months, we will introduce a new international airport, starting with Miami. Enter this section and choose the airport you want. There is a video introduction to each airport to help familiarize you. And then you can start practicing your calls for ATIS, clearance, pushback, and ground and tower communications. The calls follow a standard sequence from departure to arrival. Our Aviation Vocabulary module introduces you to 800 specialist words that are used around the world in technical aviation English. The red words in italics represent what you may hear and practice. Finally, having completed the above work, you are ready to test your phraseology and see if you are ready for your line check into your selected airport. Thanks for watching our tutorial video.